Hey watchers, Chef Tom here. It is May 17th, 2022, here with today's Watch Me vlog. So, today, I have learned what a quote that somebody said really meant. The quote that was said was called, "Control your narrative." Now I get it. You narrate how your story ends. You narrate how your story goes. So, a lot of times I just think about it. I've thought about creating an online cooking course on Patreon. Thinking about it, oh, well, if I could do that, that could be great. It could be great. It'd be fun. It'd be awesome. Bring some cooking, charge a modest fee where people can afford it and can afford to learn from a professional, credentialed teacher in cooking. I'm not going to think about it anymore. I'm going to do it. I am going to control my narrative. And I'm going to create this online cooking course called Watch Me Cook with Class. Class standing for creativity, love, attitude, simplicity, and soul. I'm going to stop thinking about it. Thank you, Chef Gary. I'm not going to think about it. I'm just going to do it. I'm going to create a online cooking course that is approachable for everybody who wants to learn how to cook. I'm going to modify the recipes for my autism moms to make them gluten and casein free. I'm going to show how to modify those. I'm going to do it. I'm going to film it. I'm going to create this online cooking course. I'm going to film Watch Me Cook. We're going to film Nora and Henny's Cupcake Adventure. This is what I wanted to do. Create cooking videos. Now I'm doing it. I think I just found my side hustle. We'll just wait and see what happens. But yeah. Don't let somebody determine your destiny. Don't let your history determine your destiny. Control your narrative. Go be awesome. Chef out.